You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from IT or technology, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to learn from and listen to. ZeroR, it's essentially just like two separate words, the word zero for the number and R like the letter. So it's not ZeroR or ZeroR. ZeroR, it's how to pronounce it, how to pronounce ZeroR pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.